everyone, this is Jen from WEITAI Hydraulic China. Welcome to our channel. With the coming of the Dragon Boat Festival, today we are going to have an unbox video for the Dragon Boat Festival gift. As you can see, here it is. So as we all know that the Dragon Boat Festival is really a traditional festival in China history, and also it is known as the Duanwu Festival. It is a festival to remember Qu Yuan, a very famous Asian poet in China. He threw himself into the Milo River to protect against the injustice. So the people paddled the dragon boat to save him and also threw the zongzi into the river to avoid the fish eating his body. With the development of history, now is a time for family, fun, and traditions. It is a festival filled with respect and also remembrance. So during the day, people paddle the dragon boat and eat zongzi with families. As you can see, this is the zongzi, very traditional Chinese rice puddings. It has different flavors from the savory to sweet. And it is a kind of a symbol of unity and also harmony. So to celebrate this special festival, WEITAI special prepared the gift for each staff. As you can see that there's a so tasty zongzi inside, and it has different flavors. And also beside the zongzi, we special prepared for the Chinese traditional cookies. You can have it with tea and also together with families. So happy Dragon Festival, and enjoy this day and also the traditional food and fun with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.